Failure of the technical installations has major and sometimes disastrous consequences. You're taken by surprise by a cold store that no longer works due to a power cut. Perishable goods are no longer usable. Staff arrive at work on Monday morning to a cold building. During the weekend, the heating system failed without anyone knowing. The mechanic comes to carry out repairs and concludes that the problem cannot immediately be resolved. The phones at your local town hall are ringing non-stop. Residents are complaining en masse about flooding. It's probably a broken pump, but no one has determined that. You discover your plants limp and lifeless in the greenhouse as a result of an undetected defect in your climate installation. The ventilation in your barn fails in the middle of the night when you're sound asleep. The following day, you're confronted with your suffocated animals. All these situations have one very important thing in common. They could have been prevented. Whether you want to record measured values with a certain regularity and want to be alerted when the measured values deviate, or whether you need a safe and stable connection with climate computers or building management systems so that you can establish problems earlier and even prevent them, or whether in the event of very critical processes, you want the certainty of always being alerted on your smartphone, for instance, when there is a failure. We have suitable products in all cases. We're not satisfied until our products optimally monitor and safeguard your processes. Our 35 years of experience, our knowledge of the applications, and our service-orientated attitude ensure our success at all times. So you can now go off for the day with your family knowing that everything is in proper working order, have a well-deserved night's sleep, and have time to spare for other important matters. All in the knowledge that you can take action with the Adasys products at the right time to prevent inconvenience, financial risks, or suffering. Call or email our team now to discuss your situation.